Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. To beat this summer, we have come up today with a refreshing and healthy recipe, strawberry blueberry smoothie. Now, let's start the recipe. Take a mixer jar, add 1 cup of freshly chopped strawberries. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and it also lowers the blood pressure. Now, add in 1 cup of fresh blueberries. These blueberries are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and it decreases the risk of heart diseases. You can always replace them with frozen fruits if fresh ones are not available. 1 cup of Greek yogurt or hunkered. Now add low-fat milk 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You can also soak them in water for few minutes and add them. 1 tablespoon of honey. You can always adjust the sweetness as per your taste. And finally, we are going to add in few ice cubes. Now, blend them everything together in a mixer jar. Now, let's see if our smoothie is ready. You can see the smoothie is ready. And this is how the texture of the smoothie should be, thick in consistency. But I like it to be thin, so off the video I have added additional milk for this recipe. You can always adjust thickness accordingly. If you do not have time to prepare the breakfast, then don't worry. You can start your day with this nutritious berry-loaded smoothie as it just takes few minutes and prepared with minimal ingredients. Lip-smacking strawberry blueberry smoothie is ready. Please do try and share your comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!